Energy readers of the world, welcome back to my channel, Zenergy Tarot, where we find the Zen within. Went on a little vacay, a big vacay, I guess you could call it. We'll jump right into Moonology here. We'll talk all about it in bits and pieces. But we're going to dive right into this. You versus them. I'm sorry. See, I'm so programmed. We're going to do you and them. You and them. It's obviously the number one reason everybody's in tarot. Your dreams need a practical plan. Full moon in Taurus. And expect powerful change, which is perfect with, if you will get some practical plan, get a practical plan for your dreams, you would obviously expect powerful change. New moon eclipse. Look at the bigger picture on the bottom of the deck. What's under that? I wonder what's under that. Time to give rather than to take. Okay, so we're going to dive right into this. You and them. What's going on? Why are you not together? Because I know from experience, it is much better to be together than separate. I don't know. Okay. I'm not going to focus on it. I'm not going to focus. So I picked up a new deck specific for something like this. Lover's Oracle deck. And let's just see what it has to say. What kind of energy is coming towards you or is around you currently? Ooh, the cards are slippery. I have connected to this deck. It's very, I like it. You'll like it. You'll like it. We'll go 3. Yeah, they said 3. Keep the door open. Don't be so focused on a closed door that you don't see, so that you don't see the ones that are open for you. So, you know, we already know that if the door is shut, don't force it open. Forcing it open does nothing but cause chaos. I know from multiple experiences. Actions speak louder than words. If you want to know what someone is feeling, watch what they're doing. You know, and I mean, we know that. We do know that. That's common sense nowadays. Express your love. It is important to let people know that you love them. You have nothing to lose. So this is just expressing your love towards people in general. What we're going to see here, what is going on? What is going on with you and your person? Your person. There's nothing better than having a person. Seven of Wands. You know, and I've really been contemplating on the Seven of Wands lately. Ace of Pentacles with the Star. A lot of healing going on. This is beautiful. Queen of Wands, my favorite. Lovely energy. This is a beautiful deck, by the way. With the King of Swords. We're going to do one more. I got 5 out now, but I'm going to get 6. And then we have the Fool card. So you're ready to take a leap. Or you're going to be ready to take a leap soon. Once you walk in, step into this truth, you know, because it is the King of Swords, someone who speaks their truth. But this Queen of Wands here, that I'm really drawn to, the way she's sitting so confidently, so confidently on this throne. She owns it. You're just the type of person that owns. You just own it. You own yourself. You own everything around it. And at the bottom of the deck is actually the Nine of Swords with the Lovers, the Nine of Wands, and the Magician. Okay. So, I believe this had to do with the number one reason that divorce even occurs is maybe this had to do with money. Maybe this is something to do with money. I don't know. We'll see here. We're going to pull. Whoa. A little stuffed up. For whatever reason, I just about did it to myself again. I'm not going to speak on you a whole lot. This is good. You have really good energy. You're really ready. You're about to be ready to make this leap of faith, to step into the unknown, to step out of your comfort zone, which is my favorite, the universe's favorite. Stepping out of your comfort zone. I'm going to stop there because we have the devil on the bottom of the deck. 5 of Swords. That matches that 7 of Wands. 9 of Cups. 8 of Swords. Yeah, see, your person has put themselves in an illusion and into competition that's leading them to, unfortunately, how cute. How cute. So this is, your person is being led into this competition, is putting them in the 5 of Pentacles, the 5 of Pentacles energy. But then right after that's the 9 of Pentacles, them trying to offer you what little bit they have. Yeah, and the devil with the King of Pentacles in the page, yeah, see, they're lying about their money. Lying about how much they have, maybe, I don't know. I don't like that, but anyhow, we're going to see then with the Astro Matrix deck what is connecting, what is bringing you two together, or what is separating you two. What is separating? We got the Ace of Cups on the bottom. The Ace of Pentacles is here, so the universe is trying to bless you, or is in the process of blessing you now. Excuse me, with an offer. You know, you're going to have to work for it. We got the Lovers on the bottom there. I'll stop there. Page of Pentacles. And we have the Knight of Pentacles over here. So it is money that's connecting you guys. And we have the Fool energy connecting that 9 of Cups with that Ace of Pentacles. So maybe you came into some money and you helped to this person. And wow, look at this devil in this deck. And the nudity is already covered up just for you two. Thank you, Astro Matrix. But that's connecting that star and the 9 or the 8 of Swords. So, It's one of those things where you're trying to heal. You're trying to evolve. You're trying to transcend. But your person is sitting in false illusions. And it's keeping you in this feedback loop, in this devil energy, in this loosely bound. Because it's, you know, you're on you're reading 2 different books, you're in 2 different pages, or whatever the case may be there, is what I'm getting off of that. Yeah. And now we have the 2 of Wands connecting that 5 of Wands with that Queen of Wands. Because, right, you're a person who's not going to sit around and wait. You're not going to sit around and lollygag with somebody while you're ready and they're not. For whatever reason. You want somebody who's ready. And now we have the Hierophant connecting the King of Swords with that 5 of Pentacles. You see, you're a person who is... You're good with your money. You're good with your assets. You're good with life. You've got life pretty well figured out. And the only way you've done this is by a lot of introspection and meditation. What's meditation? It's introspection. It is getting to know yourself better. That's meditation. The word meditate, I believe, is actually to know oneself, if I'm not mistaken. And now we have this 9 of Wands connecting the Fool with the Knight of Pentacles. Again, you're just, you know, both of you now, maybe because of whatever's happened with this in the past, whatever issues or arguments that have happened. I'm getting a lot of arguments in the past. And you're both now wounded. You've wounded each other because of these arguments, unfortunately. And you're ready to make a leap of faith, and they're trying to offer you what little bit of money they have left. Because they know that you're good with it. They know that you've got money, that you've got an inheritance, that, you know, whatever your software has taken off. But underneath the Lovers was the Hermit and the Sun card with the Nine of Cups. See, so I mean, there's a lot of happiness that is surrounding this connection. I mean, a lot of happiness. But actions do speak louder than words. And that's what you're looking for. You're looking for actions. You're not looking for words. You know? There's a lot of words in the Eight of Swords about why you can't, why they can't, why they're not able. You know, and unfortunately, that's just a broken record to you. You don't care. You don't care because you don't understand why they don't have it figured out, because you have it so figured out so well. Why don't you? Let's get some Divine Mind here, Divine Mind Oracle, because, you know, you're not a person who wants to wait. That Queen of Wands is not a person who waits. They attract. They don't chase. They don't run. They attract. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, that's the Queen of Wands to me. I believe she's probably one of the ultimate attractors, because she knows what she's got. Open up at the bottom of the deck. I'm going to stop there. We got Break Free. Again, that's that express your love. You're being asked to break free from the tribe in order to live your authentic life. This isn't easy, but it's very necessary if you're going to share your true self with others. Be brave, be real, be you, and trust that those who love you will always be there for you. And you know, this is part of the real growth in your life. This is part of coming of age. This is the part of, you know, being able to actually step into your path and your purpose, because you can cut out all of the noise. It's all this static that's coming around all over and into you, and it ends up being a confusing signal, because you have all these different signals coming from everywhere all at the same time. And if you can cut that off, you can really focus on yourself and what it is you love about yourself. And that's the only way you're able to fall in love with yourself, is to be stuck with yourself, because you know, you're the only one that is going to be around the rest of your life. So you better learn how to love yourself. Right? Right. I mean, it's obvious. And then we have Allow. You're being asked to open up your energy field and take down your walls of protection in order to allow goodness into your life. Sometimes, without even realizing it, we block ourselves from the flow of life. It's safe to open yourself up again. And that's, again, express your love. It's important to let people know that you love them and you have nothing to lose. It's all gain. Reassess. You're being asked to take stock of your life and let go of anything or anyone that no longer makes you happy. Notice who and what brings you joy and who and what don't. It's time for some life cleanup, you know, cleaning out your closet. Getting rid of no longer what serves you. Cutting those people out. That's more cutting people out of your life. It's just chatter. You get put on a feedback loop. Even if it's other people who are spiritual. You know, it happens. It's very easy. It's very, very easy. So we're going to do a psychic reading card, and we're going to finish up there. Again, I'm doing these short reads. I'm just giving a little too much. It's a lot to get. Excuse me. It's enough just to get this to you. For now. Just for now. I'm not complaining. I love this job. I love all my jobs. I forgot to light my candle. Anyhow, this is lovely. It's just all about opening up, staying open, staying away from the closed doors, you know, not waiting on your person. Number 36 card, White Light. I like this card a lot, I really do. That's that 9 energy. And remember, we had a 9 of Cups out here twice. So we will go to the number 36. Anytime now, son. Okay, here we go. Number 36. The universe surrounds you with white light and protection. You have received this card as the universe wants you to know that you are protected and loved from above. White light is a universal energy that is available for your protection at will. The angels of the universe reside on this spiritual level, and you have the ability to call them in when and if you need them. The White Light Psychic Reading card is a gentle reminder that whenever you are worried, feel unsafe, or in need of heavenly protection, you can simply call on the universe to surround you with its warm, protective, radiating light. White light is a protective bubble that keeps you safe from any negative thoughts, feelings, energies, or entities that you may feel you have around you. The energies can be a living person on the earthly realm or a deceased being in the spirit realm. White light has been called on since the dawn of time to protect any human being who feels they are in need of assistance from above, as your guardian angel and your loved ones in spirit reside in this realm and vibrate at this frequency. It is important to remember to call on them when needed. You may sometimes feel so stressed and disconnected from the universe that you forget there is no help at hand from the universe and the spiritual realms above. Calling in white light is such simple things to do, and it can immediately lift your vibration and mood and your feeling of being safe. The universe wants you to know in your heart that you are always safe and protected from above. Do not ever hesitate to ask for assistance from the universe, angels, and loved ones in spirit. Right, because you are a protected child of God, today and forever. And if you're doubting it, that's your own fear talking to yourself. It's somebody else's thoughts talking to you. You can't listen to those things, to those thoughts. But when you can give all of that up, life is so much easier. So much easier. Being the attractor, so much easier than running or chasing. So much less energy involved. And when you can become the frequency and vibration of the person that you want to date, because you have to ask yourself this: would I want to date me? Would I want to date me? Am I interesting? Am I fun? Would I want to date me? Because if you don't, who does then? Who would want to? You know? And I don't know why I'm getting into all of this, but it's very important. Because if you know the people that you're going to get, because you've already gotten them and you don't have them now, you wouldn't be here. With that, I'll leave you with this. Please watch your thoughts. Please watch your thoughts. They will become your words. And if you don't watch your words, they will become your habits. Please watch your habits. They will become your character. I will see you on the north side. And now, for those of you who enjoy this part, yes, I will play some piano. Slide out. A little bit of a stuffed up runny nose. Both.